Here I have Xiaomi 13T Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly you have to tap on this arrow here, then you should select preferred language. I'll select English, then tap next. Then you should select your region, could be Austria for me, tap next. Then you have to agree with user agreement, tap next. Then you can insert SIM card, but if you don't have it on, you can just skip this step for now and insert SIM card anytime later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also just skip this step and do this later. Then you have these Google services, which I suggest you to turn off. Then tap accept. Then you can set up screen lock, but you can also just do this in settings later and skip this for now. Then I suggest you to disable all these services. Tap next. Then you should select the launcher type. I suggest you to use app drawer. Tap next. And preparing a system, just a sec. And setup complete. You're ready to rock. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.